Most people think peptides either boost something or block something. ARA-290 is different. It doesn't push the body harder, it sends a repair message, especially to inflamed and stressed nerves, without increasing red blood cells. Quick note before we start. This video is for education only. I'm not giving medical advice or making treatment claims. This is about understanding the biology in simple terms. ARA-290 is a synthetic peptide. That just means it's made in a lab. It's derived from a natural hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO. EPO normally tells the body to make more red blood cells, but ARA-290 was designed very carefully. Think of EPO like a remote control with multiple buttons. One button increases red blood cells. Another button activates repair and protection when tissues are stressed. ARA-290 is like taking only the repair button from that remote, so the body gets the repair message without getting the make more blood message. That difference is extremely important. What ARA-290 is studied for? Researchers are interested in ARA-290 because of three main areas. First, inflammation. Inflammation is the body's emergency response. That's good short-term, but long-term inflammation is like leaving emergency lights flashing non-stop. It stresses cells and prevents proper healing. Second, neuropathic pain. This is pain caused by damaged nerves, not pain from an injury you can see. Third, tissue and nerve repair, especially in conditions linked to long-term stress on the nervous system, like diabetes-related nerve issues. One condition often mentioned is small fiber neuropathy, so let's slow down and explain that clearly. What is small fiber neuropathy? Your body has different types of nerves. Big nerves are like thick power cables. They control big movements and strong signals. Small fiber nerves are like thin alarm wires. They detect things like heat, cold, burning pain, and tiny warning signals. If those thin wires get damaged, the alarm might go off when nothing is wrong, or fail to go off when something actually is wrong. That's why people describe symptoms like burning, tingling, pins and needles, electric pain, or pain from light touch like socks or bed sheets. Nothing looks wrong on the outside, but the signal system inside is malfunctioning. How ARA-290 works. ARA-290 works by activating something called the innate repair receptor. That sounds complicated, but here's the simple version. Your body has a built-in repair switch. When cells are stressed or inflamed, this switch helps move the body from damage mode into repair mode. ARA-290 presses that repair switch. When that happens, inflammation signals calm down, cells handle stress better, nerve cells are protected, and the environment becomes more supportive of healing. Important point, ARA-290 does not numb pain like turning off a speaker. Instead, it may help fix the conditions causing bad signals, so fewer pain messages are sent in the first place. Why it does not raise red blood cells. Even though ARA-290 comes from EPO, it does not increase red blood cell production. Why? Because it does not activate the receptor that makes blood cells.
EPO is like a manager who can both hire more trucks and repair roads. ARA-290 only sends the road repair crew. No extra trucks, no traffic problems. That matters because too many red blood cells can thicken blood and raise clot risk. ARA-290 is designed to avoid that entirely. So, in simple terms, ARA-290 is a peptide designed to send a repair message. It helps calm inflammation, protect stressed nerves, and support recovery without pushing red blood cell production. Instead of forcing the body harder, it focuses on restoring balance. If this explanation helped you understand the biology more clearly, like the video and subscribe for more science explained simply.